Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to log into ESL Library where we will have some of our online class material. So you need to, you'll see, you're going to go to www.esllibrary.com/students. Okay, so I'm going to open up a browser tab and I'm going to type in www.esllibrary.com/students. Enter. Okay. Oh, it comes up with me. And you will see sign up. Okay, so you're going to click sign up. And then students, sign up here. Here, you're going to type your class code. So our class code is 610800. 610800. And here it says now type your secret word. And our secret word is fish. So I'm going to type fish. Then click next. And it's going to ask you your name. Please put your real name, okay? That way I will know who you are. I will see your work, okay? So my name is Queen Elizabeth. Okay? Next. And then it tells me that my username is Queen Elizabeth. You can use this name, or you can use the name that ESL Library gives you, or you can choose another name. Okay? Then click next. Oh, before you do that, make sure you write down this username. It's important. Okay? Next, you're going to create a password. Okay? So again, type a password that you will remember. So my password is Queen of Canada. No, yeah, okay, that's good. And then next. Now, it asks you, do you want to add an email address? So it's a good idea to add an email address because if you forget your password, you can ask ESL Library to send you a link to your password at your email address. Okay, so you type your email address and then you click yes, add. I'm not going to do it this time, so I'm going to click no. Then it asks you to choose an avatar, a little animal figure. Now, which one looks like Queen Elizabeth? How about this one? Next. Now, I'm done. Okay, so you will see here your assignments. I'd like you to click on Easter, okay, and you will see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different things for you to practice. To learn some words about Easter, to learn some ideas that are about Canadian culture, and to do some reading and listening, and to do some listening and typing. Okay? You can do this many times this weekend, and next week we will practice the language that you learned. Okay. That's it. That's how to sign up for ESL Library.